not giving hot.
Put here.
It's not hot anymore.
Stand up.
Oh.
Oh my feet.
Stand up.
I'm standing up.
You're a good boy. You're doing good, baby. You're doing good.
But Jesus gonna love me.
Of course,
Yeah,
Jesus loves
okay.
you so much. Because you're being a good boy here.
Really, and I'm putting guava.
But if Jesus see you not wearing slippers again and playing in the dirt and in the sand,
You always playing in the sand?
yeah,
But he's
he
playing
did.
the sun also.
He hakop the sand outside dito, Jack, and he put that in front of the door. And he hakop it. Look at the, the coco.
Pamunalan mata mo niya.
I love the
Oh my God, Tito Jack will bunal you and koy. You want that?
No.
Sa mga babaw-babaw pa palaga siya legs.
Sa babaw, so hot.
Sa babaw pa.
I love it.
Really?
Yeah, 136.67.
Oh, wow. So very nice. We're going to do that again tomorrow, okay?
Yeah. Already done it, not yet.
So for you to not to have a bubu again, what you are going to do is to wear a slippers all the time, every
ang
time.
dia katong bayo dia nga
Inubaya totoo dito mo itong bilin pula.
wayang ang itom. May itom to gindala ko dere.
Ay ko kita. Para
Dere.
sigo man na.
Hindi na ginugban.
Thank you, I love it. I love it in the jar.
Okay.
Sakit.
Sakit.
Into the joke.
It's just a go. I thought it's sakit.
That's my boo, okay?
Yeah, you have an ugly feet. Look at that feet. Oh, it's so ugly. Because you're not wearing slippers. That's why you have an ugly feet.
I love it in the jar.
I love it too, Jack, because you're scratching it with the guava leaves. Yeah.
Okay na.
Mommy bala will get angry bala because you have you have a lot of pinalian na in your feet.
It's not angry anymore.
Really? Malaga naman tabos dahon biyabas nga ugbos.
Sige na,
Where
let's
did
sleep
you
na.
get that?
The biyabas in front of the house, we have a lot of biyabas
Where
here.
did you get that?
If
Up there?
yeah.
Up there?
Not up there, it's just in front of the house, but if we are
Go now.
yeah, if we are missing
don't scratch it.
no scratching.
There's the one coming out.
Yeah. Come here.